G7B, digital circuits, amplifiers and oscillators. G7B01B. What is the purpose of neutralizing an amplifier? A. To limit the modulation index. B. To eliminate self-oscillations. C. To cut off the final amplifier during standby periods. D. To keep the carrier on frequency. G7B02D. Which of these classes of amplifiers has the highest efficiency? A. Class A. B. Class B. C. Class AB. D. Class C. G7B03B. Which of the following describes the function of a two-input AND gate? A. Output is high when either or both inputs are low. B. Output is high only when both inputs are high. C. Output is low when either or both inputs are high. D. Output is low only when both inputs are high. G7B04A. In a Class A amplifier, what percentage of the time does the amplifying device conduct? A. 100%. B. More than 50%, but less than 100%. C. 50%. D. Less than 50%. G7B05C. How many states does a 3-bit binary counter have? A. 3. B. 6. C. 8. D. 16. G7B06A. What is a shift register? A. A clocked array of circuits that passes data in steps along the array. B. An array of operational amplifiers used for tri-state arithmetic operations. C. A digital mixer. D. An analog mixer. G7B07D. Which of the following are basic components of a sine wave oscillator? A. An amplifier and a divider. B. A frequency multiplier and a mixer. C. A circulator and a filter operating in a feed-forward loop. D. A filter and an amplifier operating in a feedback loop. G7B08B. How is the efficiency of an RF power amplifier determined? A. Divide the DC input power by the DC output power. B. Divide the RF output power by the DC input power. C. Multiply the RF input power by the reciprocal of the RF output power. D. Add the RF input power to the DC output power. G7B09C. What determines the frequency of an LC oscillator? A. The number of stages in the counter. B. The number of stages in the divider. C. The inductance and capacitance in the tank circuit. D. The time delay of the lag circuit. G7B10B. Which of the following describes a linear amplifier? A. Any RF power amplifier used in conjunction with an amateur transceiver. B. An amplifier in which the output preserves the input waveform. C. A Class C high-efficiency amplifier. D. An amplifier used as a frequency multiplier. G7B11B. For which of the following modes is a Class C power stage appropriate for amplifying a modulated signal? A. SSB. B. FM. C. AM. D. All these choices are correct.